Coach Vigue, my friends. Oh, it feels nice to actually speak during a video. There's been so many voiceovers lately. And soon, I really hope to get back outside to film. I miss it like crazy. It is just so cold here. It's cold and snowy and icy, and then it gets warmer, and you have rivers flowing through the usual spots where I like to film outside. Today, again, we're at Vinyasa Pro Fitness, where I teach twice a week. This, what did I say? Stamina and resolve to finish this workout. I have a newborn in my house. It's been going beautifully, but now more than ever, very important that I get out, get my workouts, get my filming, my writing, and stay on target so that all boats are lifted. All right, modify as needed. Check in below, right down there. Mixing up power Pilates and power yoga into one delicious fitness stew. Sun salutations, feet hip width apart, shoulders back and down. I'll tell you what, let's do that again. Hope I'm speaking loud enough. Tuck the chin, dive down, unwind the spine. Let's move with precision and control. Step the right foot back, lunge, fingers down, line up the left ankle and knee. I gotta warm up myself. My brain is a little scrambled. Now step back to plank. Elbows in, shoulders back, press the heels back. This is all body weight. It is all body weight. Inhale forward, lower down, elbows into the sides. Inhale, cobra. Flex that spine, nice flexibility. Lower, exhale, down dog. All right, relax the shoulders. Right leg up, right foot forward, lunge. Okay, rock it a little side to side. Total body workout. All right, left foot forward, forward fold. Release the spine, release the hounds. Tuck the chin, lifting up. Oh, that feels good. Arms up. And dive down. Sun salutations, other side. Forward fold. Left foot, lunge. Press that left heel down. Stretch the back of the leg. Step back, plank. Smooth out these movements. Oh, where am I going? Okay, down. Smooth. Cobra or upward facing dog. I want those shoulders down and back. I want you squeezing the glutes. And then downward facing dog. Heels behind the hips. Lengthen the spine. You got to take care of that spine, my friend. Left foot forward. Lunge. Right heel down. It's a living, breathing organism, the workout. Right foot forward. Lace the fingers. Mudra. Open. And drop the arms, lifting up. Shoulders back and down. Back bend. Open. One more time on each side. Oh, how I miss filming outside because Addie comes with me then. All right, right foot back, fingers down or full lunge. Let's keep it smooth and controlled. Good. Zero in that focus. Now, Vinyasa flow. Reach forward, hands down, plank, forward, lower, chaturanga, hover, resist the gravity, and then up dog or cobra. Let me adjust that. Legs back, open the chest. I always feel like I can do a little bit more. Down dog. Right foot forward, lunge. Not lunge, lunge. The feet are staggered. Now step forward, there's that mudra. Let's gobble some breath. One more. Drop, rise. Whew. And once more. Let's do the left side. Forward fold. A little softness in the knees. Left foot back. There's your lunge. Navigate. Effortless, effortless. I want you to practice this so much that you can teach it. Teach it to somebody else. All the nuances, the precision, Vinyasa flow. If you like, you can kick the leg back and down or stay with what we were doing. Up dog or cobra. Flexible spine, you gotta have it. Or we come into a land of pain. We don't want that. We want to move. We want mobility. Success. Left foot forward. Boom. All right. Forward to chair. Press back, arms forward. Okay, we are mixing. We are sprinkling in Pilates. Or are we sprinkling in power yoga? Or are we sprinkling in power Pilates? Here's how it goes. Let's come down. Single leg stretch, 100. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. What am I doing? Right knee in, left leg out. Arms forward. Relax the chest. Shoulders down. Pumping in for 5 breaths. Exhale for 5. And we add the legs. 100. Here we go. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Last set. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Single straight leg stretch. Right leg up. Left leg out. Long stretch. 2 pulses. 10 times. 10 times. In the nose, out the mouth. 3, 4, 5, 6. Effortless. Heaven. Heaven. 8, 9, 10. Add the tornado. 10 repetitions. We circle, pulse, pulse, circle. Line them up. 2, 3. Oh, my counting. Forgive me. Do 10. Do 10 of these. Circle, circle, circle. Pulse, pulse. I'm going to do 2 more. 2 more. Total control. Long stretch. Now, what did I write down there? Oh, yes. Triangle flow. Let's rock it up and over. Cross the ankles. Vinyasa flow. Step back plank. Flow through it. With breath, with purpose, and down dog. Triangle flow, left foot forward. Line up the heels, lengthen the legs, arms out, reach. Extend this right arm. Oh, dig into that stretch until the hand comes all the way down to the foot, the floor, the leg. Inhale, left arm up. Now reset it, rise up. Let's do it 2 more times. Melting. You killed her. Geez, I'm real sorry about that. Left arm up. There's the twist, that rotation. That is a thing of beauty. Once more. Are we melting? Melting down. Right shoulder back. Oh, that's good. Needed this. I hope you need it too. Keep me posted below. Left arm up. And let's go with the Vinyasa flow before we enjoy the other side. Down dog. Right foot forward. Triangle. Flow 3 times. Here we go. Ease into it. Oh, you're accentuating everything. You're expanding. Expansion of the breath, of your mobility, your flexibility, your endurance. I don't want to be in the business of stabilizing or just maintaining. For myself, I want it to always, always be challenging. Always invigorating. Or invigorating. Okay. Down. Once more. Beautiful. Open, open. Vinyasa flow step or kick the leg. Downward facing dog. The snake, 3 repetitions. Lower down to the mat. Right hand slightly behind the left. Knees are bent. Inhale, tippy toes, rise up. Tailbone to the ceiling. Exhale, drop the stomach down. Tuck the toes this time. A little adjustment in the spine. Again, rise up. Hollow out the abdominals and then return. 2 more times. Rise up. The snake, classic Pilates move. Shoulders back. Squeeze the glutes. Protect your lower back. Rise up. Lift, lift, lift. Down. 1 more time. Your spine is like a hammock. Open, open, open. Lift. And let's go to the other side. Left hand slightly behind the right. 3 times. Here we go. I feel like I'm on a picnic. Down. Oh, you're over there? Okay. Up. And then down. Keep the flow going. Drop gently, lift. Unwind that spine. We shall unwind no more spine until it's time. Mr. Orson Welles. One more. Lift. Inhale through the nose. Oh, exhale through the mouth. That's good. Flexible spine. Inhale, rise up. And right from here, let's go to the Vinyasa flow. Bring the hands normal, next to each other, lower down. Inhale, up dog. Down dog. Now bring it forward and down the scorpion. 8 times, either arms out or arms overhead. Take the leg up and over. Big stretch. There's a net up there. Other side. Nothing wrong with some beautiful rotation. Some nice openness in the abdominals, the groin, the hips. Okay. One more time each side. Don't get too comfortable. We got a few more things to do, my friend. Is this something you need? Does this feel good? All right, back to the center. Double leg kick. Going into Pilates land. Take a cheek down. Let's do 6 of these. Gonna point, flex, lift. Hold for an extra breath. I really love that. Flexibility in the spine. That means the spine, the vertebrae, the discs, also the muscles of the spine. Down, kick, kick, lift. So you want your body to be adaptable, to adapt to whatever comes along, to do it the best possible way, with the best balance and strength and precision. Down. Let's do 2 more. Lift. Get a big stretch for your triceps and your chest and shoulders. One more time. Oh, there we go. We open. We open. Okay. Up dog or cobra. Check my notes. We're going to finish it off here real soon. Downward facing dog. Stretch those heels down. Left foot forward. Warrior position. Pivot the right foot. Bend the knee. All right. Side angle. Big stretch here. One of my patented moves. Stay in the side angle or go into the warrior wrap. Left arm underneath, right arm around. Draw the right shoulder back. Openness in the chest. Stay here or go back and forth from the warrior wrap to the airplane warrior. Like this. Boom. Boom. Don't worry about how many. If this is something you're doing, bravo. It takes some practice. It takes consistency. It takes work. You got to earn these babies. Okay, I'm going to do 1 more each one. Oh, there's my airplane right there. Now, Vinyasa flow. Let's set ourselves up for the other side. Down dog. Right foot. We have side angle, warrior. It's up to you. Stay here or do the warrior wrap or the wrap into the airplane. Yes, sir. Good. Stay with it. And then we can go back and forth. Finish strong. I guarantee whatever, got a little cramp, there we go. Whatever activities or sports you love doing, these kind of workouts with Sean Vigue, Coach Vigue, power yoga, power Pilates, they will dramatically increase your performance on every level. Boom, airplane. Woo, Vinyasa flow. Hello. Up dog, down dog, and let's finish it off here, my friends. Walk the legs. There's so much more to do, but that's for another time. You can always repeat this. Is this something you needed, this workout? Please let me know below in the comments, and don't keep it a secret. Please don't keep my workouts a secret if you enjoy doing them with me. I appreciate that. Stretch it out, little twist. Because my fitness goals mainly is to get out of bed each morning, energize, good alignment, good posture, balance, strength, and good focus. So I can be the best instructor, the best friend, the best husband, the best dad, the best neighbor, the best Mystery Science Theater fan, yeah, that I can be. All right, knees down. Woo! Beautiful work, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. If this workout helped you, please, I petition you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. But you don't want to miss these credits. They're almost as exciting as the workout. Almost. Pilates for Athletes by Sean Vigue. Pilates for Athletes from Hatherley Press, coming early 2020 by me, Sean Vigue, wherever books are sold.